The best way to figure out if a Porsche 911 is going to fit in with your lifestyle. When I was doing sales for Porsche, I would tell people if they had no idea which 911 to get. I mean, from the base Carrera to the Turbo S, there's several different iterations and engine sizes and horsepower. I always told them, you know what, just go to the Porsche Experience Center. You could drive every car that Porsche has for sale on a track in different conditions. They have the skid pad, they have the handling circuit where it's all powdered up and you could learn how to weight the car, specifically a 911 with rear wheel drive. It's a really good introduction into the 911 driving experience. Best hour and a half you'll spend if you're considering buying a 911, but you're not sure if it'll fit with you. The second best thing to do is to subscribe to one. This car is part of the Porsche Drive program, which is a subscription service that only 4 dealerships in the state of California have right now, where they have a fleet of cars where people can subscribe to. You could do it, you could rent it for a weekend if you want, or you can subscribe for a month or 3 months or many months. Cyan, Taycan, Panamera, Macan. And now we have 17 cars in our fleet, and we only have 2 left that are available, a Taycan electric car and this Carrera 4S. So we'll go for a drive. I'll take a lap around the a block and I'll give you some more numbers as far as what it takes to get into or subscribe to a Porsche 911. Missed some information in that drive. I tried to put up captions as far as some numbers, what it takes to get into the car. But if you would like more information, or if I left out something that you're wondering about, I'll leave my contacts in the link below. You could reach out to me, as well as if there's a specific car that you want to try to subscribe to. We get cars in all the time from Porsche, new subscribe units. They just drop them off. So if there's something specific you want, let me know. I'll put you on a list and contact you as soon as I know if a specific car is going to be at the Porsche Center. So thank you for watching, and yeah, let's get into a Porsche.